Right, this is the June 2011 Pilot Paper 2, Part 2. So starting on question 4, which is about a formula to find the total costs of taking students on a trip. So total cost, number of students times 9.50 plus the hire charge. So let's find the total cost when the number of students is 33 and the hire charge is 150. So we can say total cost, we'll call that TC, is putting in the numbers into the formula. So the number of students is 33 times by £9.50, taken from the formula, plus the hire charge, and the hire charge is 150. And then again, we can use our calculators to work that out. So we do 33 times 9.50. Work that bit out first, that's the key. Add 150. And then you can do add in 150. And that works out as £463.50. So do the times in first, then do the adding. Next part says, find the number of students when the total cost is 372 and the hire charge is 125. So we're trying to find the number of students. What I tend to do first is put in all the numbers that you know. So you know that the total cost they've given you is 372. And that equals the number of students, we don't know that, times by £9.50 plus the hire charge, and this time the hire charge is 125. So now we've set that out. And this is a simple case of rearranging this just to get a number of students on their own. So the first thing you want to do is take away the 125. So we take away 125 and we take away 125 from here. So you get 372, take away 125. And that gives us 247 over here. And that equals the number of students times 9.50. We still have that bit there, but this bit is cancelled out. We want to get a number of students on their own, so at the moment we're timesing by 9.5. So opposite of timesing is dividing. So now we want to divide by 9.5, and we do that to both sides. Basically doing the opposite, everything is there. So we've taken away and we've divided. So we do 247 divided by 9.5, which is going to give us 26 equals the number of students, and that is our final answer. Okay, that's question 4. Question 5. Draw all lines of symmetry on the following road signs. Remember, lines of symmetry is where if you could fold it in half, it would have the same on either side. So how could we fold this one in half? We could fold it in half through there like that. Okay, make sure it says draw all the lines. That's the only one you can draw on there because of the aeroplane shape. On the second one, you just draw it through there. So you could fold that one in half that way. And on the third one, there's 2 ways you could do it. You could fold it in half there, and you could fold it in half there. Use a ruler for this question to make it a lot more accurate. Question 6. A fence is built in the following stages, and it asks you to draw stage 4 in the space below. So you can see this is the first stage. All they've added is the middle bit and another line going down. And then the same, they've added the middle bit and another line going down. So stage 4, you draw out stage 3 first. Doesn't have to be completely accurate, just as long as you get the basic idea. Use a ruler to make it neat. At the moment I'm just drawing out stage 3 again, this one here. Obviously, as you can see, mine isn't 100% accurate. So there we've got stage 3. Now we're going to draw stage 4. So all you're doing is just adding on this side bit again. So we're doing another cross and a line going down. And that's all that's required for your 1 mark. Then it says complete the following table. So you've got number of vertical posts. As you can see, it's got 2, 3, 4. So the next one is going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Adding 1 each time. Number of horizontal planks. Number vertical is going down, horizontal is going across, like that. So horizontal, we've got 1, 2, 3, then we've got 6, then we've got 9. So increasing by 3 each time. So adding 3 onto this, we've got 12. You can use your diagram here to help you. Number of cross pieces, we've got 2, then we've got 4, then we've got 6, and then the last one, we've got 8, increasing by 2 each time. Without drawing a diagram, write how many vertical posts there are at stage 10. So, how you could work this one out is we're looking at the vertical posts. So, can you see how at stage 1 there's 2, so there's 1 more. At stage 2 there's 3, so there's 1 more than the stage. At stage 3, there's 4, again 1 more. At stage 4, there's 5. At stage 5, there'll be 1 more, there'll be 6. At stage 6, there'll be 7, 1 more. At stage 7, there'll be 8, and so on. So at stage 10, there's going to be 1 more. So 10 add 1, there would be 11. At a certain stage, the fence has 15 horizontal planks. So this is the horizontal one we look at this time. How many vertical posts are there? So, can you see how horizontal is increasing by 3? So the next one here is going to be increasing by 3, is going to be 15. And that's what we're looking for, is the 15 horizontal planks. So there, we've already worked out, there's going to be 1 more vertical. So there's going to be 6 vertical. How many cross pieces? We know the cross pieces are increasing by 2 each time. Sorry, increased by 2. So that's just going to be 10. Question 6. Question 7. The table gives the warmest and coldest temperatures in London in 2009. What was the coldest temperature? Remember, negative numbers are smaller than positive numbers. So the coldest temperature there is going to be -6 degrees Celsius, the lowest. Remember, when we go to negatives, the bigger the number, the colder it is. What was the difference between the coldest day and the coldest night? So the coldest day was -1 degrees. The coldest night was -6 degrees. So we count down. How many do we count down from -1 to -6? We count down 5 degrees. -1 goes to -2, -3, -4, -5, -6. That's 5 degrees. What is the difference in temperatures between the warmest night? So the warmest night was 18. And the coldest night. The coldest night was -6. So this time, we're counting down from 18 to -6. So from 18 to 0 is 18. And then from 0 to -6 is 6 degrees. So 18 to 0 is 18. And 0 to -6 is 6. So 18 add 6 is 24 degrees. Okay, which is the same as 18 minus -6. Question 8. The following is a list of weights of the 8 members of a Keep Fit class. Okay, find the mean weight. Now mean, remember, to find mean, we add up all the numbers and we divide by how many numbers there are. So you need to add all these up. Adding all them up. And then we divide, that means divide, remember, by how many there are. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we divide by 8. So if I add all them up on my calculator, if you did that, it's going to give you 506. All of them added up is 506. And then we divide that by 8. So 506 divided by 8 equals 63.25. And we know that's a reasonable number because it's in amongst these. Find the range. Now remember, range is the biggest number. Take away the smallest. So the biggest number in the list up here is going to be 81. The smallest number is going to be 42. Take those away and the range is going to be 39. Median is the middle number when they are in order. So we put the numbers in order first. And then we want to find the middle number. We want to find the middle number, cross them out as you go, cross one from each end. Okay, this time we've ended up with 2 middle numbers. When we have 2 middle numbers, remember, you add them up and then you divide by 2. So adding those up, you get 124 divided by 2, which is just going to give us 62 as our median. It says plot the points and you've got 3 coordinates. So the first coordinate is A minus 2 minus 3. So remember, we go across the corridor, up the stairs. So we go across the corridor, up the stairs. So this is across, this is up or down. We go across to minus 2 and then we go down to minus 3. And we put a little cross there. Second one, we go across to minus 3, up to 2. So across to minus 3, up to 2. The third one, across to 3, down to minus 4. Across to 3, down to minus 4. So remember, X, Y, across, up or down.